Good day guys, Isar here from KOSAMTB, and today we're gonna be making a bike check video. So wala muna tayong trail ride today kasi naging busy tayo naman nakarang araw. So let's check this bike. Let's go! Alright, so guys, this is my mountain bike. Trail, all mountain and enduro ang setup niya. Ito yung bike na nakikita nyo sa mga trail ride videos natin. So it's been 9 months now since nabuo ko tong bike na to. At sa loob ng 9 months na yon, I could say na talaga namang sulit na sulit tayo sa bike na to. Medyo madami na din trails ang napuntahan nito. Trails after trails, especially dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. And ilang ilog na rin ang natawid nito. I am not very technical rider, but masasabi ko na this bike is a bomb-proof bike. Sturdy siya at matibay. Solid at talaga naman napaka-reliable at talagang pambaragan. It is really good in doing its purpose. Sa loob ng 9 months, no cracks, no dents, just scratches. So normal lang naman yon kasi ginagamit natin siya. Alright, so let's start checking this bike. So this is a Dartmoor Primal bike, 27.5 plus. Small size at boost na din siya. You can put up to 2.6 or 2.8 tires on it, I believe. Forest green ang tawag sa colorway niya. Intended usage ng bike na to is trail, all mountain and enduro. So if you are into that kind of discipline, this frame is right for you. Made in aluminum, sa loob ng 9 months of usage, no cracks, no dents, just small scratches. Now let's go sa cockpit. Fan duro ang stem, 35mm. Fan kingpin naman ang handlebar, 800mm. We are using crossfire fan sa seat post at velo sa saddle. So far so good, very satisfied sa performances ng mga components na to. Next is the fork. SR Santur Oron air fork na siya. So current travel is 140mm, can be adjusted up to 160mm. Boost fork na siya with 35mm stanchions. So see the clearance, maluwag pa siya. Pwede pa natin lagyan ng mas malaking tire size. Intended usage is trail, all mountain and enduro. So by the way guys, nabili ko tong fork na to last year during the first wave of pandemic. So nabili ko siya ng 16,000 pesos only. Pero now, ang presyohan na nito is around 23 to 24,000 pesos. So medyo na timingan natin yung pagbili nito kasi last year mas mura pa nun. So ngayon ang bentahan nito is around 23 to 24, but at that time yun yung presyo ng Durolax. So ngayon yung Durolax ang presyo na nun is from around 26 to 28 I believe, or kung di ako nagkakamali. Let's check the brake set. So this is Diore M615 ang model. I have been using this for almost 5 years na. So dun pa to sa lumang bike ko, pero goods na goods pa din ang performance. So never ko pa siya napalitan ng pads since weekend rider lang naman ako, at 2 times ko na siyang napableed. So yung rotors niya, ang rotors na gamit ko is 180 sa harap at 160 sa likod. Now the wheel set. Maxxis Ardent tires, front and rear, 2.40. Not a big fan of tire combinations, so I'm good with this. So front and rear 2.40 na siya. Weapon prime rims, steel, no dents, no cracks, goods pa din. Tinanggal ko lang yung decals, di ko kasi trip yung kulay, medyo hindi siya nagmamatch dun sa colorway ng frame, so better make it black na lang. Origin 8 boost hubs, front and rear, 32 holes, so very reliable, matibay at pambaragan. Been through in many trails and river crossing, lumalaban pa din. At isang beses ko pa lang siya napa overall, so I'm planning to make a separate video, a review on this, so wait natin yun guys. Now sa drivetrain naman tayo, also from my old bike, Jory group set, 10 speed, 1 by siya, 32 teeth chainring, 1142 ang cogs. Been using this drivetrain for almost 5 years na din siguro, pero goods pa din ang performance, alaga lang siya talaga. So for 9 months of usage, once ko pa lang siya napaservisan, overall ng mga bearings, also yung drivetrain pina-overhaul ko rin, pinaservisan ko to bago ko umpisahan yung 30 days bike challenge ko. So for 30 days nag-bike tayo, as in araw-araw, kaya naman wala talaga tayong naging problema sa bike na to during the making of that video. So for 9 months of usage, mga 3 upgrades lang atang nagawa ko dito sa bike na to Una yung pedals, from knock off the bomb pedal, pinilitan ko siya ng Rock Bros. We'll also make a separate review for this item. Natuwa ako kasi napakatibay niya, sturdy, at makapit talaga siya sa sole ng sapatos. So yung pins lang talaga ang iingatan mo. Second upgrade, yung chainring niya. Dati yung stock ng Jory crank ang ring neto, tas naka bash guard pa siya. Now pinalitan ko siya ng Z-Race chainring, 32 teeth, narrow wide, and also yung cogs pinalitan din natin kasi medyo nabibitin tayo sa unan. Yung luma niya is 1136, now naka 1142 teeth na siya, so medyo hindi na tayo bitin sa ahunan. So we are planning to put a dropper seat post sa bike na to, might be next year, or if our budget will permit, or in other words, if my wife will permit. So dropper seat post, also maybe a new brake set next year din, yung new model ng Jory, or maybe Jory XT na. And of course, syempre, we want to upgrade din yung riding skills natin, and we can only do that by riding more trails and practice. Been planning to ride more trails in different places, hindi lang dito sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Been also planning to put bike rack sa service natin or dun sa auto natin. So hopefully more trails sa mga future videos natin, new places or new trails like in Rizal or Pampanga. Alright, so this is it for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching, and just like what I'm always saying, if life sucks, go ride your bike. Chill! Alright, so guys, if you're into this kind of video, please consider subscribing, and also don't forget to hit the like button, share, and also the notification button para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga upcoming videos natin. So once again, thank you for watching. Chill!